exploring the woods, you know what I'm saying?
We are here in the woods of the Pacific Northwest finding some plants.
I've seen it!
Crikey! I caught it! Right here. This is a hemlock. This is just the nicest, you just see by the bark. Oh, I just love it. You know, the western hemlock is just a beautiful,
How can you tell?
just a beautiful conifer, you know, just a beautiful gymnosperm. You know, you can't see the needles at the moment, they're at the top of the tree, but, you know, they are green all year long, okay?
Now we've got to be very quiet. We don't want to wake up the cows. Got it! See what we got here? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, there it is. Oh, you can see here the female cone of the western hemlock, and right here beside it, the male. Look at those beautiful sporangophytes. And look at these spores on the male, just ready to fertilize that female cone. You know what I'm saying?
No. See, this is a sword fern, okay? You can tell by the nice leaves here, okay? Now, the fern, you know, they are usually seen in the gametophyte structure, okay? Just like most other things, except for mosses. Okay. Right here, we have the western red cedar. You can tell by the stringy bark. And over here, you can look at the needles. They're green, they're waxy, and they are scaled. This differentiates them from other gymnosperms. They have nice scaled needles, you know. Now, this is seen in the gametophyte form, really beautiful. Now, it's got some cones. I don't know if there's any around, but that's how they reproduce. The male cone and the female cone find each other, and the male cone, the spores rub off onto the female cone. It creates a nice little seed. Oh, would you look at this here? Now, this is a young hemlock. You see, before we saw the full-grown one. But here we can see the needles nice and clearly. You can tell it's a hemlock by the way that the needles are different lengths, and they are flat. And this is also the gametophyte form.
Okay, so look what we got here. This is Slough. As you can see, it is a angiosperm by the flowers, and it's also a dicot because of the veined leaves here. Anyways, as I was saying before that rude interruption, inside the flowers they have both male and female reproductive structures, and yes, as you were saying, the birds or the bees, they get some of that male spores on, on their legs or something, and they go to another flower, and then the male pollen reproduces with the female parts of another flower, and that's how that's done. That is that.
Oh, so here we have some nice moss. Now see, it grows in nice dark moist areas because it has no internal transport, okay? So that means it needs to get all its water by diffusion. So that means it stays nice and small, and so water can diffuse to all parts of its structure. Now here, mosses are almost always seen in the sporophyte form. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's some nice little gametophytes popping out of there. Right there. Yeah, you see that?
There we go, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, that's how they reproduce. You can tell by the way it is.
And that is the female structure. Oh yes, I can't believe it. Look what we found here. It's really a fine specimen if you ask me. Look at the power of Mother Nature. It's just so brilliant. You can just be beautiful 1 second and flash of an eye, just up in flames like this. Just crazy.